NEW-FER is a company that has been around for almost 20 years. In 2018 we took it over, and since then we've decided to give it a new face, both in terms of its everyday work and in terms of the well-being of the people and operators who work there.
Before, when there were no modulas, materials were all set out on shelves. When I received an order, I managed it in zones. I had to remember when there were more materials to be picked, then took my cart to the first zone of shelves. I picked up all the materials I had to, then went to the second, third and fourth zones, and so on. Now we have picking carts. First I look at all the materials I can pick up from the vertical warehouses and pick it all up from them. Once I've finished, I have a look and see whether anything needs to be picked by hand. These days though, we handle most of it using vertical warehouses, so picking by hand is much easier.
The way it used to be with the old manual and physical handling system, there was a throughput of about 200 to 250 lines per day. We now have 6 vertical warehouses, and the same number of operators manage to handle between 500 and 800 picking lines per day.
One of the greatest benefits it has given us is when we receive a phone call, we know straight away what to tell customers about whether or not we have a product in stock. Another benefit is the fact we have sped up both goods delivery times and how long it takes to prepare an order. Every time a customer came to the counter, we had to go and check on the traditional shelving to see whether or not a product was available.
Even so, hardware must be considered part of Industry 4.0. We can deal with any item on the computers. From all points of view, customers no longer need to wait to order materials. They expect to come in and have what they need ready for pickup. So Modula has helped us to implement that entire aspect of customer service.